So this is to demonstrate how best to finalize your charges as well as put as your diagnoses. I have figured out a workflow that is best for the situation with behavioral health templates, and this works with the brief assessment as well as the individual counseling and psych progress note. So when you do a follow-up, this works as well. I have added some things here in navigation. So go ahead and put your time stamp that you performed it and that it's time-based. Just don't put a code here. There's no need for that, or here. All you have to do is go to navigation, go to finalize. Once you finalize, this is the template that you're in. And I want you to notice that up here it says today's assessment. So here you will add today's assessment by clicking on add. Once you click add, it brings you to the IMO that everybody uses across the clinic. You'll be able to click inside of it where it says problem it, which is the IMO again. You'll click here in this tab to do your search. Go ahead and type in depression. Again, the phrases that have an arrow allow you to then proceed to ask questions to narrow down your diagnosis. If you go ahead and find your diagnosis straight off the bat, you can go ahead and click the plus sign. Always click the plus sign rather than the phrase. In this case, I want to narrow down my diagnoses and answer the prompt questions. As you answer the prompt questions, things will close, and then it'll narrow down your code. Once you see your narrowed down code or your more specified code, go ahead and click again on the plus sign, enter your access. As you see, it comes here. You're going to save and close, save and close. Now your assessment is here. As you scroll down, you'll find your behavioral health codes here. Go ahead and select, this is an initial visit. And of course, here are the codes. If you were doing a 30-minute or 45-minute session, you would select accordingly. Again, this is the intake. So go ahead and submit code. By submitting code, you create your behavioral health master, which is your actual official note. Let it generate. If you are a behavioral health provider that doesn't require a supervising provider to review and sign your notes, then you can go ahead and sign your note by clicking this check off. If you are a person that does require a sign off, go ahead and click on finalize tab up here again to bring you back to this finalized template. And then you will click on submit to supervising provider for review. You'll select the person that you need to send it to, whether it be Dennis or Christopher. Bring that person's name over, click OK, because that sends a task or message to the reviewing provider to sign off, and that completes your note as well as sending it to be signed off. And that is it for this. Just really quickly, I want to show you again that in the navigation, you go into finalize, and I just want you also to see that I have now also added the screening tools for you to access easily right here also in the navigation bar.